Hi there, welcome to Skill Up channel for another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate tags for your YouTube channel absolutely for free. This is the video that I am going to upload right now. As you can see here in this tag section, it's empty. And I'm going to show you how to generate tags. Before I start this tutorial, let me show you something. This is one of my videos. As you can see, I've got this result. I've just used this method, and you can also use this method and you will get the same result that I've got. Now let's go back to the tutorial. To do that, open your browser, then type repeat tags in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the very first link here. Then click on use tools for free. Here you can type anything you want, or you can simply copy your video's title and paste it here. For example, I want to pick this one and paste it here. Then hit enter. Here you are. As you can see, we generated almost 500 characters tag. Now scroll down, copy them and go back to your channel. And paste them in the tag section here. You can repeat this trick many times by changing the title. For example, like this. After changing the title, hit enter. You are able to delete some of them. Then copy them and go back to your channel and paste them here. Now you can choose and keep which one is good for your video, and you can simply delete them like this as well. This was how to generate tags for our channel, so fast and free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, so please subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.